Maddie's Country Kitchen. I'm going to make a roasted chicken. I've got a little bit of water in the pan with it, and I'm just got some melted butter, and I'm putting some cayenne pepper. I'm just making this butter rub here that I'm going to rub on top of the chicken. Okay. Ground mustard and some poultry seasoning. Just a little bit of paprika for color. I like putting paprika in things to give it color. Okay, I'm just going to stir this all up with the butter. This is about a half a stick of butter melted in this little container. Okay, and I'm just going to brush this onto the chicken. I've already got my oven going at 350 degrees. And I'll probably bake this for about an hour to an hour and a half. It probably won't take that long, but I want the top of it to be a little crispy, so I'm just putting it in there a little bit longer than I would normally put it in there. Just rub this all over your chicken. Make sure you get around the wings here. You want this sauce everywhere. Okay, I've got a little bit left in here that I will be rubbing on after this cooks for a little while. Okay, I'm going to cover this with some aluminum foil, put it in the oven, and come back and show you when it's done.